This video will assist you with step-by-step instructions how to remove and replace a cartridge on the 8-inch widespread Pfister lavatory faucet. Let's get started. First, turn off the main supply valves underneath the sink. After your supply valves are turned off, release the pressure from the faucet by rotating the handles to the open position. Next, remove the handle by turning the hub counterclockwise until it is completely off. Please note, some models may require you to remove the button, screw, and the hub separately. Now you're ready to remove the valve adapter by turning counterclockwise. Next, use adjustable pliers to turn the hex nut counterclockwise until the cartridge is loosened and then pull completely out. Finally, put the replacement cartridge in and install the handle trim by reversing the steps. For additional consumer support, please visit our website at www.pricepfister.com, or you can email us at pricepfister@custhelp.com. Or to reach a technical support agent, please contact us at 800-732-8238. Thank you for choosing Price Pfister.